Learn Gujarati fast. Wi-Fi phrases in English in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the Great Wi-Fi Quest. Hey, you're about to learn Gujarati the modern way, with travel survival, phone panic, and a tiny bit of comedy. Let's make these useful phrases stick. Picture this. You walk into a cozy cafe, your phone is at 12%, and your face says, I am calm, but your soul says, Internet now. So your first heroic question is,
તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
That means, do you have Wi-Fi? If they smile and point to a router, great. If they smile mysteriously and do nothing, you level up and ask,
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
That means, what is the Wi-Fi password? Congratulations. You are now no longer a confused tourist. You are a digital warrior with pronunciation. Your 5 magic phrases. Let's keep it simple and strong. You'll hear each phrase in English and Gujarati so you can repeat it easily. Do you have Wi-Fi?
તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
I have no network.
મારે નેટવર્ક નથી.
Can you call me?
તમે મને ફોન કરી શકો છો?
I will write to you later.
હું તમને પછી લખીશ.
A cafe dialogue with mild panic. Now let's put the phrases into a short scene. Imagine yourself there, holding your phone like it contains national secrets. You walk in, smile politely, and ask, Excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi here? In Gujarati.
માફ કરશો, અહીં તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
The server says yes, but you are not done. Oh no, you ask.
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
Then your phone still refuses to cooperate, because phones enjoy drama. So you sigh and say,
મારે નેટવર્ક નથી.
Your friend is outside looking for you near a suspiciously large plant. You message.
તમે મને ફોન કરી શકો છો?
Then you remember you are late, busy, and slightly chaotic, so you add.
હું તમને પછી લખીશ.
Tiny memory tricks. You do not need a giant textbook right now. You just need a few smart hooks for your memory. 4.
તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
Imagine lifting your phone and searching the air for invisible internet like a magician who specializes in routers. 4.
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
Picture a giant cake with the Wi-Fi password written on it. Very secure. Absolutely terrible cybersecurity. 4.
મારે નેટવર્ક નથી.
Imagine 0 signal bars and your phone looking personally offended. 4.
તમે મને ફોન કરી શકો છો?
Make a phone gesture with your hand. Yes, the classic one. Timeless. Powerful. 4.
હું તમને પછી લખીશ.
Mime typing a message later in the evening with tea nearby and your life finally under control. Repeat after me. Now it's your turn. Listen, repeat, and don't worry about being perfect. Say.
તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
Again.
તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
Say.
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
Again.
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
Say.
મારે નેટવર્ક નથી.
Say.
તમે મને ફોન કરી શકો છો?
Say.
હું તમને પછી લખીશ.
Quick quiz, no router allowed to help. Let's see what you remember. You've got this. How do you ask, do you have Wi-Fi? Answer.
તમારી પાસે Wi-Fi છે?
How do you ask, what is the Wi-Fi password? Answer.
Wi-Fiનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે?
How do you say, I have no network? Answer.
મારે નેટવર્ક નથી.
How do you ask, can you call me? Answer.
તમે મને ફોન કરી શકો છો?
How do you say, I will write to you later? Answer.
હું તમને પછી લખીશ.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work today. You just learned Gujarati phrases that are genuinely useful in real life. Now you can ask for Wi-Fi, ask for the password, explain when you have no network, ask someone to call you, and promise to write later. That is a very modern survival kit. Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud.
તમારી પાસે વાઈફાઈ છે? વાઈફાઈનો પાસવર્ડ શું છે? મારે નેટવર્ક નથી. તમે મને ફોન કરી શકો છો? હું તમને પછી લખીશ.
Thank you, keep practicing, and come back soon for more Gujarati.